I call Maureen Pugh.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. It's my pleasure to stand and speak to the Evidence Amendment Bill in its second reading today. This bill in the name of the Honourable Amy Adams, and as we have heard today, the Honourable Amy Adams is credited with doing great work in this space at this time. It's another example of legislation being tidied up and made relevant for the 21st century. And this is absolutely necessary for the clear and appropriate application of the legal system that we have in this country today. The changes involve a number of minor and technical amendments, many of which have been debated in detail today, and they are as a result of the Law Commission's inquiry, review of the Evidence Act of 2006, and that review took place, as we've heard, in 2013. Included in the amendments to this bill, Mr Speaker, is the video record evidence and how that evidence can be released and to who. It puts victims at the heart of the justice system in these amendments, Mr Speaker, and it does ensure that our more vulnerable and more sensitive cases are actually dealt with, considered their sensitivity and the impact on those witnesses, and that of course helps to reduce their anxiety and stress in an otherwise stressful situation. Clause 32 of the bill provides directions about the way child complainants are to give evidence, and this is just simply putting the victims at the heart of this justice system, Mr Speaker. It gives the child witnesses the right to a support person when they are giving evidence and provides for alternate ways to provide evidence. Clause 33 of the bill introduces 3 new offences for improper handling of video records of evidence and is further expanded by inserting a new Clause 33A that deals with how parties may access video records of evidence outside those criminal or family court cases. Mr Speaker, this bill is another step in the government's commitment to updating the justice system, making it more efficient and more focused on victims, and I have great pleasure in commending this bill to the House. Thank you.
I call